Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Action Center icon grayed out fix in Windows 10. Action Center icon grayed out. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click Explorer. Delete Disable Notification Center. Close and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.